Denominations that believe that women should be silent in church should then also not permit the women in their churches to be in their worship leader teams, or sing and praise in the church in general, or to be Sunday school teachers, or to arrange events, or to pray, or to prophesy, or to be part of the team of intercessors, or to be in the catering and baking ministry, or to lead the women's ministry in church, or to just attend any women's ministry gatherings in church, or to arrange church camps and to lead, preach and minister at these church camps. And the lists go on and on. Because all these things are taking place in the church, and women should then, according to the pastors of these denominations, be silent in church, not allowed to speak at all. Also, why are the men in these churches, they're not occupying all these roles? Why do they assign it to women in the church? Can you guys see the double standard and hypocritic behavior of these churches and pastors that say that women must remain silent in church? These churches exercise an unhealthy and unfair control over women, which result in the oppression of women in the church, which then in turn means that there is a principality of control over that congregation, which is also demonically controlling the pastor and the male leadership in those churches, to the extent that they themselves fail to see that they themselves are under demonic control and need deliverance from it.